ChatGPT-4o has been introduced and it has features that will amaze you. In this video, we will discuss why everyone is talking about this ChatGPT and what amazing features it has. First of all, let's see what new things ChatGPT-4o has compared to the previous version. The first point is that you don't need any sign up to access it. You just download the app and use it. No need to create an account or anything like that. The next point is that it has a desktop version, and now this ChatGPT-4o can analyze text, image and sound. The cool thing here is that we had seen the voice mode in the previous version too, but it responded with a delay. However, in this version, it responds to you in real time. At the moment, it's really amazing. To use this version of ChatGPT, you just need to install its app on Android, iOS, Windows or macOS and use it easily. But what can you do with this version of ChatGPT? Let's find out. ChatGPT-4o has the same ChatGPT-4 intelligence, but the difference is that it's both faster and free. One of its great features is that you can show it a math problem and it will write out the solution for you and provide the answer. A striking point of this AI is that it has tone and emotions. For example, when we ask it to tell us a story, it can tell it in an epic, scary or any other tone you want, while the previous version spoke very artificially. ChatGPT-4o is also offered as an API, which allows developers in the ChatGPT store to provide customized versions and, for example, work more on this AI's emotions to turn it into a romantic AI or anything else. You might wonder why this AI is free, and the reason stated is that this version is free so that later they can collaborate with various companies. A precise example is the collaboration between OpenAI and Apple, meaning that the Siri robot in your Apple device will now respond to you more intelligently. A cool feature in the Windows or Mac OS version is that this AI can analyze anything on the screen via screen sharing. For example, you give it a few lines of code and it tells you whether your code works correctly. It can even tell you what a particular piece of code is for, and it does all this in real time. It means at the moment. The coolest part is that it can analyze a chart for you, which is very useful for those who trade. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Another hypothesis for why ChatGPT-4o is free is for digital marketing to attract more users, because this version is faster, has a high analytical power, has emotions and is free, so it will obviously attract a large number of users. As we said, it has a very cool voice mode, so let's take a closer look and see how it works.
Listen, I got some huge news.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
They took 3 features from 3 different AI models and gave them to this model. The first feature is transcription, which can convert voice to text. The second feature is intelligence, which can analyze text. And finally, there is text-to-speech, which can convert text back into voice. The cool thing is that it does all this in real time, meaning it does all these tasks instantly, provided you have good internet speed. One of the challenging parts mentioned for them was sound analysis. For example, when you want to use the voice translator feature in a noisy place, some bugs appear. Or when you're talking to this AI and accidentally say a word incorrectly, ChatGPT-4o needs to understand your mistake and correct you. This was another challenge for them. Another feature is real-time translation, which supports 52 languages and does this very accurately and well. The next cool point is that this version of ChatGPT has memory, meaning it remembers what you talked about before and allows you to continue the conversation on a topic. Well, these were the important and main points of ChatGPT-4o, which show that there have been many improvements and made many things easier, and now we're waiting to see what new things are going to be added in the next versions. Guys, it's end of the video and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please share it with your friends, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe.